What is field test mode? Field test mode is a software application often pre-installed on mobile phones that provides the user with technical details, statistics relating to the mobile phone network, and allows the user to run hardware tests on the phone. Why access field test? Field test isn't strictly intended to be used by your average iPhone user, harmless as it is to do so. But there are a couple of potentially useful pieces of information buried in there. It's possible to get a precise numerical reading of your current cellular signal. Typically, you only get a vague 4-bar indicator at the top of your iPhone display, which doesn't really spell out the strength of your signal with any precision. How do I access field test mode in iOS? Go to your phone's dialer as if you were going to make a call, type in this code, *3001 number 12345 #*, then hit the dial button. You should see a menu with 4 options to choose from. Choose LTE. Select the Serving Cell MEs option from the following menu. That page may take a few moments to populate. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, disabling it can help speed up the signal measurement process. You will see RSRP0, RSRP1, SINR0, and SINR1. It's likely these are 2 measurements from the 2 antennas in your phone. If you want to have a one-on-one free consultation, please visit britishdsire.com/elearning and register. Thank you.